Named after the Greek titan Atlas, who was condemned to hold up the sky, the atlas vertebra supports the globe of the head. The atlas joint, or the atlanto-occipital joint, plays a pivotal role in human physiology, serving as the primary articulation between the skull and the spine. It facilitates a range of head movements, including nodding and lateral tilting, and its unique structure allows an amazing range of mobility. Dysfunction of the atlas joint can have significant ramifications. Misalignment or subluxation of the atlas can lead to a variety of problems, including headaches, neck pain, and restricted range of motion. More severe consequences include impaired blood flow to the brain, which can result in dizziness and neurological symptoms. Furthermore, due to its proximity to the brainstem and several cranial nerves, atlas misalignment can potentially affect nerve function, leading to symptoms such as facial pain, tinnitus, or even autonomic dysfunction. In this powerful Art of Bodywork tutorial, you'll discover 2 tests to determine if the atlas is displaced and then an effective and gentle reset of the joint. And for your clients, it's sure to take a weight off their shoulders and live a healthier life.